back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to review the DerpFest OS for Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well, and I already uploaded the video how can we install DerpFest OS on Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well. So now let's get it started from the setting, and this is gonna be the full review of that ROM. And let me clear one thing, first time when your device will be booted and you can face user interface in a little bit laggy, just change the wallpaper first time, just like this. I already changed the wallpaper. Just change the default wallpaper of DerpFest OS, then your problem will be solved and it will be okay, and everything will be fixed and you won't see any lag. So let me show you that. Of course this is Android 11 and the Cartel kernel used in that ROM, and which is really good, and this is a capable kernel for gaming, I know that. And Linux is enforcing, you guys can see, and latest security patch, and also security patch latest, so no problem on that. And we have by default GF's build and vanilla build, so I recommend you guys to use DerpFest OS GF's build, and we have by default those applications. And let me show you, the Google Maps is working pretty much fine and there is no issues. So this is the location, you guys can see, which is working pretty much fine, and my network is slow, so no issues on that. And then let me show you some settings. Digital well-being working, no issues. And security we have as usual, the fingerprint we have, and the face unlock, app locker, everything is working pretty much fine, no issues anywhere. So after that, let me show you display settings. We have so many customization in that ROM. So clock style you guys can change, and switch style we have OnePlus, and so many options. Fluid OS, Oxygen OS 11, Android S, so many options are there. And you guys can change the accent color, so many accent colors are available here, I told you guys. And you guys can change the font, so many default fonts are available in that ROM. And we have icon packs and icon shapes, you guys can see. By default we have so many icon shapes, so you guys can choose. And Wi-Fi connection, you guys can change the Wi-Fi connection. If you want to change it like zigzag, just change it, and you guys can see here it's changed, the icon changed. Let me show you once again, wavy, if you guys want to change it wavy, so you guys. And as well as you guys can change the signal icons. Here you guys can see the signal icons, I'm using wavy. And if you want to use zigzag or Xperia, just click on that and you guys can see it's changed, it's like Xperia. So many customizations are available in display settings, you guys can check yourself. And finally we have battery, and if you guys ask me, it's really good battery backup I got actually. I charged it yesterday and I used and I played games for more than 1 hour and 30 minutes maybe. So that time I had 60% battery. Let me show you some screenshot from there. So you guys can see here, 1 hour and 7 minutes I played yesterday Call of Duty, and still I had 61% battery backup. So 61% battery charge, so you guys can gauge it was really a great battery backup in that case. And what we have in next, after that we have DerpQuest. The huge customizations are available in that. You can enable advanced reboot system so that you can switch to recover easily. And navigation as usual, what we have. And gestures, what we have, swipe 3 fingers. And volume rocker, you guys can change, and swap app volume, swap volume buttons, rocket wave, you guys can check yourself all those features. And quick settings and toggles are working, no problem. And we have the indicator, you guys can easily use. And custom header, you guys can enable it and change it, so you guys can enable that custom header here. and separators in header you guys can add. And next we have themes. You guys can easily change the themes. So many default themes are available here. Styles they already provided by default, and we have grid and we have clocks. So many clock items are there. And Android 12, this one you guys can enable this one. So wallpapers, so many things. Now let's talk about some basic things. So by default we have the Google Camera Go, and which is working pretty much fine, no problem on that. And let me show you, ROM is really smooth. This is a really smooth ROM, you guys can see. When you use, you can feel that. And calendar, everything is working just pretty much fine, no problem. And let me show you CPU throttling. I ran it for 5 minutes maybe. You guys can see here for 5 minutes I have ran it, and this one CPU throttle to 86%, which is good. And if I ran it for 15 minutes, then it would not good like this. And safety net is passed. Let me show you once again here. Let's run it. So you guys can see safety net is passed, no issues, and I already rooted. So here is the magic. You guys can see, in every video I told you guys that just enable magic's hide from the magic setting and then reboot your device and your safety net will be passed, and you guys can easily use any banking applications, no issues on that. And I am using that Google Camera. I already provided that Google Camera, so you guys can use that. And everything, and a call sound which was really good. I talked over phone, so no problem. And let's talk about Geekbench score, which was really good. You guys can see 263 and 1076. Now let's talk about gaming. I played games for a while, and that was really great, a good gaming experience I had. And I don't want to play games right now because I had some problem here. That's why the noise, you guys can feel that, so that's why I can't play right now. So, but you guys can believe me, this is a good ROM for gaming, I guess, for now, as I have provided so many Android 11 ROMs videos. So this one is good for now, so you guys can check that out, no problem. Hope you guys like my video. If you guys really like that video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and wait for the next video, another ROM review coming soon. So thank you for watching.